How's it going, everybody? All right, today we've got the NVX VCW 8, the dual fours. We're going to take a look at these, and I'm going to throw them in the box that I made for them and put them in the car, see what they sound like. So I've already opened one of these. Really look pretty decent for what they are. And I don't have super high hopes for these or anything, but we're gonna see how they do. Well, has the appearance of a carbon fiber cone. They're not real carbon fiber, but pretty beefy little 8s. I've not had 8s in probably 20 years, 25 years maybe. You know, I'm normally into bigger subs, but we'll get this out of the box, take a look at it. Okay, so something has to be said for the way they ship these. I wish more companies shipped like this. That sub's not going anywhere when it's in the box. And that's how you ship a sub. You know, other than like, I don't know, like the wooden crates and stuff you see. But I mean, just as far as how it's packaged, great. So, take a look at this guy here. Pretty nice. Tinsel leads look really good. No, it's not just a little round, you know. Can't really see in there too far, but man, that's a fat little 8. They're pretty heavy. You know what I was saying about this cone, you can't really see. It's not real carbon fiber, but it's okay. It looks good. Pretty stiff. So, not bad. Not bad. Here's the box that I built. I just built this in a day out of I ain't gonna call them scrap pieces, but it was just leftovers from another box I built. I've got corner 45s in it. It'll work. It's not the prettiest thing, but you know, it's just something I slapped together. See how these sound. So we'll get them in the box, get them in the car, but see how they sound.
I took the loss and really seen it for what it really was. I guess that's the shit you wish when you show love. I used to care, now I need it with a shoulder shrug. This game is real and the loss. That's the part that was like it was easy. It's a run, stuff I've been through. I'm stand up for love and I'm living the best. I'm used to running from the streets, so I got the hustle.
Well, here's my current setup. It's really messy. I still got so much wires to clean up and straighten up and make look neat. But, you know, work and all of that, it's hard to find time to do everything. There's a bird's nest of wires under those crossovers. But this is what I've got going on. I've got a Series 2 low voltage battery. My box, obviously. We're running a 5-channel incriminator. Got the LC5i epicenter, which that might come out and go on marketplace soon. I'm not real crazy about it. But had all these RCAs custom made. The RSD custom cables, highly recommended. You can check him out on Facebook. The dude does some fabulous work. He made all those for me, custom length. I couldn't be happier with them. This came from CB Supply Company, also highly recommended. At the time, I was planning on running audio control amps, so I was going to have an all audio control board, and I came across that 5-channel incriminator, decided to give it a shot. From a SQ standpoint, that amp sounds amazing, but it just don't have a whole lot of power at 2 ohms especially. And I don't know, I'm probably going to change it up. I might go with the NVX, the higher end NVX amps at some point, but for right now it works. It's pushing those 8s pretty decent. But I had a stereo integrity 15 in here in a sealed box, wired at 2 ohms, and that amp wouldn't push it, like at all. You couldn't hardly hear the sub, and I just wasn't happy with it. It was nothing against the sub, it was just a bad combination. I thought I was going to try to go for some efficiency, and kind of shot myself on the foot. So this board used to be, if you watched any of my other videos, it set at an angle and it had a little bit of room in here. Well, with this box, I had to do this. So I'm gonna either make a new board, or I'm gonna have to cut this one and cut the corners, round off the corners, because this piece had to come out. And this is a 2025. I don't want to be running around without all my trim pieces on. But this black is a second skin deadener, and there is a ton of it in this car. Like, the whole trunk has got 5 layers, and it's got kill mat all inside of it. Oh, there's a whole lot of deadener in this car. Up in the rear deck still rattles like crazy. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But yeah, anyway, this is what I'm working with right now. Like I said, I've got to clean up all this wiring and make it look neater. This looks like holy hell and I hate it. But as far as the subs go, the little NVX 8s, highly recommended. I am so blown away by how good those sound. Like, they shake the car. Like, they really get down for a pair of 8s. I can't believe it. So bandwidth is insane on it, which that's more attributed to the box. But they play up, they play down. Rock and things like that sound amazing on them. Like the kick drums, like you can feel it in your chest. And that's what I wanted. So, yep, for the money, man, NVX wins again. I've not found anything that I've been disappointed in yet with them. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.